Flying Alex, you want the good news or the bad news about your carbon fiber piece?
Give it to me, Doc.
I broke it.
You're lying.
Anyone know the good news? I sticked it back together. It's not going in still.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't mind this crazy hair. I'm kind of being lazy right now. I don't want to put a hat on. But on today's video, we're going to be putting on our carbon fiber vents onto the Subi. But we're running into issues already. Let me show you real quick. So my brother's going to try to put this on, but it doesn't want to go on there correctly. So I think we're going to take off the bumper and see what we could do.
Take this one.
And if we run into issues still, I think we're just gonna, I'm gonna cut this off, to be honest, because either way, the vents, as you can tell, has those little bumps that are supposed to go, I guess, into, oh, no. Fudge. They're supposed to go into the holes here, but they're not going in.
How do you take this off? You pull it back?
You have to take these off, supposedly. Or maybe you can reach your hand under, since I don't have the, just pop it out.
Pop it out?
Yeah, maybe you could do it behind the wheel too. You want me to take off the bumper? We could take it off. It's easy.
I mean, it'd be better.
This bumper's like hanging on life support anyways.
Oh, it came off regardless.
If you guys are wondering, I got these from WRX Speed, but I got them off of Subi Mods. Alright, we're gonna see if the left one on the driver's side fits. I highly doubt it. That one looks like it's gonna go in a lot better. Maybe I'm tripping.
I don't know why this is not gonna go in there.
Yeah, it's not, bro. I'm telling you, maybe I would just end up cutting this. Say F it.
Shit, you need a new bumper regardless.
I know, that's why I'm like, if I have to, then I'll do it. And later on, if I have to get the bumper again, I'll do it. I mean, I'll get another bumper.
And just tape this?
Yeah, well, it came with 2 screws, so I was thinking about...
Oh, it came with 2 screws?
Oh, damn, that's the thing, too, because, yeah, it came with 4 screws. So I was thinking about, like, drilling it into this, but from this side,
so you do have
into
to cut
this.
No, because look.
I'm gonna take off the bumper and see what we could do. Yeah, I brought the energy drinks. Hello. Okay, it works.
They texted me Friday.
Uh-huh.
The car would have been ready Friday.
No.
Yeah. There's a meet tonight. You wanna go?
Oh, yeah? How you gonna get there? You're gonna fly?
Yeah.
Oh, almost.
The guy that posted our friend's wagon. Oh, my story. We came out when we pulled up.
Oh, no.
You liked that picture too.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm a crackhead. Cause I don't remember. Man, who needs a quick release one? All you gotta do is take off 3 little plastic clips and then undo the zip lines. I mean why do I always call them zip lines? The zip ties. Alright, we're gonna attempt to put this on. Hold on, let me see.
Cause that one tucks in better, see?
I'm so scared to break this. Oh,
What?
that's probably why it doesn't want to go in there. You see the line? Because of the carbon fiber,
Oh, está pegado.
yeah. That's probably why. Fudge. Alright, we found an issue. The issue here is, come on, focus. See the little line right here? Under my thumb? That's why it's not allowing the bumper to go in. So I'm gonna try to shave that off. Fitment on this thing sucks. Guess that's it right there, but man, fitment's horrible. I guess now I'm just gonna have to use like 3M tape or something to keep it on there, but man, this is horrible. I want to say that's like the best fitment I can do on it. So I'm thinking this is just an idea. Come around this side, right? And right here on these little cuts opening, I'm thinking about making a little hole with the drill onto the carbon fiber vent, and then just get a zip tie and get it to come around, and I'll just like tie here, tie here, tie here. That way I know for a fact they're not gonna fly off ever, and it'll probably like stop people from stealing it too. Even though, yeah, because they won't really be able to get the zip tie, so they'll think like it's on there pretty good. So this is like with no pressure, right? So I'm pretty sure with the zip ties, if I make it pretty tight, it's gonna look something like this, which would be like the best fitment I can get on this. But as you can see, there's still a little opening right there, which sucks. So maybe I could just use a little bit of 3M tape too. That way I could just like close the openings, but we'll see.
Flying Alex, you want the good news or the bad news about your carbon fiber piece?
Give it to me, Doc.
I broke it.
You're lying.
Anyone know the good news? I sticked it back together. No, I got it, but it's not. It's not going in still. But I took it off. Look, it's a
Damn, yeah, we gotta shred it down more.
Yeah,
Let me see.
we need the sandpaper to like grind it.
Damn. Oh, there it is. Yep. Oh, yeah.
But it's open. I grab scissors.
Well, we're getting somewhere. It's going, people. What happened?
The mosquitoes lost my.
I love this car without the bumper. I don't know why. If there was like some type of metal beam that could just run across, not this obviously, but something that would make it look a little bit better, I would do it for sure. It just looks cool. How we looking, Doc? See? Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh, bro, it's not gonna go in yet. No, we gotta sand it down more. All right, guys, so we did as much as we could, and there's still a little bump, so hopefully now we can actually put it on. We'll go see. All right, we're gonna try it on. I hope that it fits now. Kidding me? No, don't tell me I broke it. Please don't tell me that I broke it. Okay, thank God. Something came off. Alright, here's what I did off camera. I went over them and put on the 3M tape, double-sided. I don't know if I'm still going to drill into them. I mean, I kind of still want to right there on those two middle parts, since it came with 4 bolts. But now we're going to take the bumper off and see if we could put it on with the tape on. This is what I'm going to end up doing. We're going to cut it. I mean, not cut it. We're going to drill into it. I already marked it with a green highlighter. I don't think you really see it on camera, but that's what we're going to drill into it. And then we're just going to hold it with zip ties without the clips for sure. There's the gap right there. And with the zip ties, it should be able to pull it in. And obviously the tape is going to support it more too. But you see down here, that's without the clip. So the vents are good to go. I drilled in the holes last night. So now we're just gonna put them on and take off the tape, and I'm also gonna use the zip ties like I said. Hopefully that works out pretty well. Stay.
No.
Yes. Alright, we got our 3 zip ties. Let's see what we could do. For real. So now we're gonna tighten them up. Got it with the tape on. I just have to make sure that I push this down on the vent and also on the opposite side on the bumper. But so far so good. The vents and the bumper are gonna go back onto the car. Can't wait to see how it looks. This already looks pretty sick. Damn.
Hey, buddy, you need oil.
For real? And then there's this side. By the way, that looks pretty sick too. How we looking at oil?
No.
Oh no.
You have extra?
Yeah, my car. Wasn't even recording. What a fail.
Take it off then.
For this side, this one's on pretty good too. It's a little open. There's a little opening back here, but I mean, there's really nothing we could have done about that. We just gotta push. Ooh. I don't like this right here, but like I said, really couldn't do much about it. But there y'all have it, how to install the vents onto your bumper for your WRX 2000, I believe 10 through 14 for your car. That's it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.